Children, it's Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Miss back to our English class for Standard 6th. Today, I'm going to tell you India got freedom on 15th August 1947. Before that, our country was ruled by the Britishers. Freedom fighters fought to get our independence. So, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel, Rani Chennamma, Sangoli Raina, and 1K Obawa, and Bhagat Singh, and many more freedom fighters fought to get independence. Netaji, today I am going to teach you Unit 7. I want to quit the ICS. In this lesson, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose writes a letter to Chittaranjan Das that he is not interested in working for Indian Civil Service examination which he was going to appear. So, Subhash Chandra Bose, who was called as Netaji, was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father's name was Janakinath Bose and mother's name Prabhavati Bose. He was a well organizer and he was very eagerly in joining Indian National Army. He worked for the Indian National Army and formed the Swaraj Party. His two slogans were "Give me blood, I shall give you freedom" and Jai Hind. So, Subhash Chandra Bose, who was called as Netaji, died on August 18, 1945 in Taiwan in plane air crash. So, let us go to the lesson. I want to quit the ICS. Let us remember some of our great national leaders. I will ask you a few questions. Who is the man who grew up to be a great leader after he came back from South Africa? Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the man who wrote letter to his daughter when he was in prison? What more do you know about him? He was none but Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the great leader who said, "Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan." Yes, he was Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who is the national leader who is called the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who built an army to fight with the British. What was the army called? Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose built an army to fight with the British, that is INA, known as Indian National Army. Yes, very good children. You have listened to my answers. Now, let us go to the introduction. Subhash Chandra Bose, whom we call Netaji, left India in 1919 for England with a promise to his father that he would appear for the Indian Civil Service examination. He was selected in his first attempt, but he did not want to work under an aligned rulers. He resigned his civil service post and jumped with the freedom movement. He became an active member of the Congress. He was elected president of the Congress in 1938. In this letter, Bose seeks the advice of Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das, who was the undisputed leader of the Congress at that time, about what he should do after quitting the government job. I will continue the remaining in the next class. Thank you.